Looking for the best thickness planers to elevate your woodworking projects? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 thickness planers that deliver precision, power, and ease of use for every craftsman, from beginners to pros. Let's dive in. Item number 5, introducing the LZHXY Woodworking Planer, a powerful tool for precision woodworking. With a 220-volt 850-watt motor, it offers a no-load speed of 8,500 RPM and a feed rate of 6 meters per min. The planer has a planing width of 304 millimeters, adjustable planing height from 6 millimeters to 160 millimeters, and a 3 millimeter planing depth per pass. Weighing 26.5 kilograms, it's designed to deliver smooth and accurate results for your woodworking projects. Perfect for both professionals and hobbyists looking for reliability and performance. Item number 4, introducing the powerful 1800-watt woodworking planer, designed for precision and efficiency. With a 220-volt motor and 10,000 RPM no-load speed, it offers a maximum planing width of 330 millimeters and a maximum thickness of 152 millimeters. The 2-speed gearbox provides flexibility with feeding speeds of 4.3 ms per min and 7 ms per min. Featuring depth control for quick adjustments and precise planing, it's perfect for cutting deeper hardwoods. With a 42 kilograms weight and sturdy design, this planer is built for heavy-duty use and accurate results. Item number 3, introducing the Guextool multifunction bench planer, designed for versatility and precision. With a motor power of 1.3 kilowatts and a spindle speed of 2,500 RPM, this planer offers a planing width of 120 millimeters and a sawing material thickness of up to 80 millimeters. The workbench size is 570 by 165 millimeters, providing ample space for your projects. It supports saw blades within a 205 millimeter range. Weighing 41 kilograms, this durable, high-performance planer is ideal for both professional and DIY woodworking tasks. Item number 2, introducing the CXRCY Benchtop Planer, a powerful 2,000-watt tool designed for precision and durability. With a 13-inch cutting width, adjustable planing height, 6 mm to 160 millimeters, and a 20,000 RPM cutter head speed, it delivers 96 cuts per inch for smooth, accurate results. The strong guide rail system and extra-large thickness scale ensure stability, while the reversible knives extend blade life by 30%. Perfect for furniture making, wood restoration, and DIY projects, this planer offers ease of use with foldable tables and precise height adjustments. Item number 1, introducing the 1800-watt woodworking planer, designed for power and precision. With a 220-volt motor and a no-load speed of 10,000 RPM, it handles deep and large hardwood cuts effortlessly. The planer features a maximum planing width of 300 millimeters and thickness up to 152 millimeters. With 2-speed adjustment and feeding speeds of 4.3 meter min and 7 meter min, it ensures smooth, accurate results. The depth stop and precision indicators make depth control easy, ideal for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Weighing 42 kilograms, it's built for heavy-duty tasks. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel